This is Norma and welcome to my channel. I am back from my cruise. I had a wonderful cruise on the Virgin voyage. Now I'm back to reality. I came back so exhausted. I went on vacation, but there was so much to do on the ship. There was so much to eat, even though I was taking a lot of the food and not finishing it. But it was wonderful. If you ever want to go on a cruise, go on the Virgin voyage. It's an adult-only cruise line. Anyway, when I was leaving, I ordered some things. My packages came while I was gone. This is one of them. And I will open this one first and show you what's inside. So let me open the box. So this is the box. I put it on the other side so you don't see my address. I love receiving packages. I don't care what it is. So it's a box within a box. And this is the box that comes with it. And I'm going to open that one. I have one that got messed up, and so I ordered another one, and it's a ring light. So it comes in this case right here. I paid, I think it was like $100. Let me see what's in the case. Oh, it has the stand that's in the case. This is the stand. And this is what the stand looks like. So it can get very tall. It has lots of brackets that's holding it in. Let me see how tall I can get it. See, it gets taller. So you get the drift. So this is what the stand looks like. Now let me show you what else is there. This also came in a box. I guess it's for the top of this. I'm not sure. I would have to read the instructions. I'll read the instructions and find out what this is for. let me open this. This is smaller than the last one that I had. I thought this was bigger. This is the ring light right here. What the back looks like. Let me see what else is in there. There's this cord here. There's another box that's in there. I will have to read all the instructions to find out how everything goes, but I will show you everything that's in the box. So it has this cord. Let me open it up. I hope the light is very bright like the last one I had. I had the same brand, but it was a whole lot bigger than this one. And I can put my telephone on it. They have this cord. There's another one. I think I would need to charge it. There's the instructions that I'm going to follow when I set it up. So this is for the light. If you want it red, I'm not going to be using the red one. They have the clear one also. That's what I'm going to use. This is the clear one right here. That was also in the box. It has this screw. Let me see, it should have a remote control. I don't see a remote control. The last one I had a remote. Oh, there's one. There's a remote right here. So I'm gonna set this aside and show you the other two things that I bought. So the next thing, I needed a new blender. And let me show you this one that I got. Is the Ninja one. This is the brand right here. So it can make smoothies. It can make hummus. I see ice cream, all kinds of stuff. So let me open the box. The other one I had is old, and I decided to get myself a new one because I'm always in my kitchen cooking, baking, and so after a while it messes up and you need to get new things. It can crush ice also. So these are the instructions right here. This is the bottom. This is supposed to be very, very strong. this is it. It's hard plastic. It's not glass. So it will not break easily. And let me show you the bottom. So this is it. With all the blades. It has several blades. That's what makes it so strong. So this is the bottom right here. It has a cord. Let me see how long the cord is. So it's not that long, but it's powerful, so that's good. So I'm gonna take this, put it right here. This is it. And then this is the top right here. And it holds a lot. So I'm gonna put it in my kitchen and wash it and start to use it soon. And let me show you the last thing. That one I opened it and I used it, but I'm still gonna show it to you. You haven't seen it, so it's like new. That blender was about $80 something, maybe with tax about 90 something. But I saw this perfume when I was on the cruise, and I looked at it. It was in duty free, and I smelled it, and I kept going back, and I'm like, no. It was about, on the cruise ship, must have been about $330 or $320. And I kept saying to myself, do I want to spend that much money for perfume? So I didn't buy it, and I got off the ship. And then I thought about it. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. You only live once. And this perfume is divine. Let me bring it closer. If you're in the market for perfume, this is one of them you should try. So you can go maybe to the store and smell it first. So this one is Parfum de Marly, and the perfume is Delena La Rosie. Look at it again. And let me, like I said, I opened it when it came yesterday and I sprayed it. So this is it. It has the little tassel on it, and it is heavenly. Let me spray again. It is just, when I sprayed it in a duty free, I walked around, and I'm telling you, it was on me all day. So if you're looking for a perfume, try this one. So I forgot to tell you, because I did not buy it duty free, it ended up costing me $350 something. Yeah, but it's worth every drop. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.